Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 7, the present tense in your English language book. First, we should discuss what is a tense. The tense of a verb indicates present, past and future time. The tense also indicates whether the action is complete, is going on, has been completed in the recent past, or whether it started earlier and has continued into the present. So here we have a simple definition of tense. Basically, tense shows the time duration, and here in the first part of tense we have the present tense. Let's talk about the simple present tense first. What is a simple present tense, or do you know when do we use simple present tense? Any guesses? Yes, we use them with the action happen regularly, any general truth, thoughts, feeling and opinions. For example, I go to gym every day. Here, this is an action which shows our habits. Yes, the habits which we do every day, or the things we do every day. That is being shown by present simple. So this was the habits or the things we do regularly, that is being denoted by present simple tense. Next we have facts and general truth. For example, you are fit. What is that? It is a fact about you. Just like that, the stars are twinkling in the night. It is a fact, so it will be indicated by a present tense only. Next we have thoughts, feelings and opinion about someone. For example, my friend thinks that I am healthy. Here, whatever he thinks about me, it is his opinion. So, we have this. Next we have with plural subject we use plural verbs, and with singular subject we add s or es in the main verb first form. For example, we have fix, go, wash, watch. They can be fixes, goes, washes and watches. Just like that, fly, cry, study, try will be flies, cries, studies and tries. So, to sum up, we will know that to use of the tense, we have habits, facts, thoughts and feelings. So, this is present simple tense, and you use plural verb with plural subject and singular verb with singular subject. Now let's talk about the present continuous tense. So students, what is a present continuous tense? Something which is in motion or any action which is keep on going in front of your eyes. That is basically denoted or indicated by a present continuous tense. Present continuous has a format, that is mr plus verb first form plus ing. This will be used according to the subjects in the sentence. For example, we have Jason is washing his bicycle. Next we have here is washing is a action going on in front of our eyes. Next we have I am walking to the bookshop. Here am walking is your action. The dogs are barking at the men. Are barking is your action which is happening in front of your eyes. Let us do some exercise. What is there in the exercise? I hope you are going to answer all of them before I answer you. So let's get started. My sister dash an apple. What will come here? Yes, is eating. My sister is eating an apple. Here, Stella and her sister dash their room. Yes, they are tidying their room. So, here I dash with my dog. I am playing with my dog. Just like that, we have Lisa dash lunch in the canteen. Lisa is having lunch in the canteen. The boys are talking to their teacher. Till here, we have learned that the present tense has ing form with is mr. So let's have a look on some examples. is walking, is eating, is helping, is sleeping, are buying, is running, is barking, is skipping, are playing, is looking, all are present continuous tense. Thank you. Now let's talk about the present perfect tense. Yes, here the formation is subject plus have, has plus past participle. That means the third form of the verb. For example, eat, at, eaten. So that is eaten for the verb. Next we have reasons to use the present perfect tense. An action started in the past and continues to the present is being referred or is being indicated by the present perfect tense. For example, they have known each other since they were children. Here, they have known each other since they were children. That means this has been started in the past and it is still true now. That means it is in present also. So the word since is commonly used in the present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense we can also use it to indicate the time. So the second reason to use it is an action happened during a time period that has not yet finished is also being used by or indicated by the present perfect tense. Next we have, you have arrived late to work 3 times this month. Here this month indicates the time and this month shows that it is not finished time. So here we use the present perfect tense. The action is more important than the time. So have you ever fallen in love, eaten a frog, broken a bone, seen a ghost, driven on a motorcycle? The words just, already, and yet are often used with the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense can be used for an action that was recently finished. Yes, I have just finished running. Just indicates the immediately completed work, yet is used with the present perfect tense also in negative statement, like when you have the mail hasn't arrived yet. So this yet shows not in the time between a past time and a present time. It should happen soon, though already is used in positive statement, like I have already completed my work, or when the action is completed before we expected. For example, I have already finished reviewing all the documents. Here have already finished shows the present perfect tense. What is a present perfect tense basically? It is basically an action which has started in the past, has now ended in the present, or it shows this only. I hope this is clear. Let's move to the next tense or the last tense in present, that is present perfect continuous tense. Now I will show you what is a present perfect continuous tense. Let's look at this. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express a continued or ongoing action that started in past and is continued until now. For example, he has been teaching in this school since 2005. This means that he has started teaching in this school in 2005 and he is still teaching here. Rules. The present perfect continuous is formed using the construction has plus have been plus verb's first form and ing including into it. Another example, Kyla has been running in the park for an hour. She has started running in the past and still going on in the present. So here, if there is no time reference or sense of time reference, then it is not present perfect continuous tense because there is no hint about the time of action when it started in the past. So basically, it is quite confusing, don't you think? Yeah, we have one more thing to understand. Mi Ling has been waiting for you. Mi Ling has been waiting for you for an hour. Here the time duration is given. That means we can understand it is present perfect continuous. Keep this in mind that with singular subject we use has been, and with plural subject we use have been plus verb's first form and ing into that. I hope I am clear till here. Now it is easy, right? Yeah, that is. Thank you. So we have done it. I hope the tenses you might have learned properly. Thank you, students.